You know, I'm gonna try my best during this off season to recover, and we'll see what happens. But you know, this is what the last 10 years, what I've always wanted was to have a professional league here to where we represent cities. So even though I'm still injured and recovering, you know, I still didn't want to miss it for the world to be a part of this type of professional P League. I'm not sure if it'll be my last season, but I'll definitely do my best to rehab and get 100%, and we'll see what happens.
首先，当然，因为他有伤势的状况嘛，各位也知道，之前经历了手术，那这一次也是在复健中，赶快回来，所以他也不确定会不会最后一年，因为当然最重要，希望能够在休赛季的时候好好的复健，好好的调养。那最重要的是，他来台湾的10年呢，其实一直都很期盼有像 Plus League 这样的一个舞台。特别是属地主义代表的城市，建立出在地的文化等等。那所以他非常不想要错过这一切啊，每一场赛事，每一个系列，从地下到季后赛，所以很高兴能够也撑到今天嘛。那再来就是最未来的问题，就是看他在休赛季能够调整到怎么样的状况。
他基本上第一个，我们都还是希望他是健健康康的。那如果他恢复的不错的话，我们先不去设限他一定会有什么样的假设，先不去设限。
其实真的是每个球员的身体压力太大，然后我觉得这场他们放开打，然后说真的，今天还是有些球员在球场上比较胆怯，然后造成失误的比较差很多啊，就是26比13。那在这方面可能应该是我们输球的最大原因。那整场下来，我很谢谢球员们，然后每一场的付出，然后这场这么团结打到最后。其实我们在每一分每一秒都有机会追过去，但是到最后就是 Q 不想给耀中，可以没有开玩笑，他罚球不进之类的没有啦，就是说我们都是尽力的，然后谢谢球员，谢谢经理给我们这些机会，然后在球场上表现，也谢谢球迷，谢谢大家。
First of all, congratulations to the Dreamers. It's on. Congratulations to the Dreamers. They came out and played their hearts out. And also the Pilots. I take my hats off to us because minus our 2 import players, we still came out and really took it down to the wire. By winning these 2 games and starting game 5. I knew it was going to be a different game by me starting. So that really helped by us not getting down by 20 points like we usually do against them. But it was just a very exciting game, just very happy to be a part of it. Happy for the P League. I think this really brings up ratings and really looks for a bright future with basketball in Taiwan.